my stars. My stars. Pull it into the packing bag. Oh god. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. I'm not gonna mess up, guys. Call me something. Oh, you're gonna mess up. Really, shut up. Right there.
Because it looks like now you're missing.
Here. I'm not messing up. Right there.
Yeah. You put the scissors away already?
Yeah. Why? I don't know. We needed to cut it. I know. Why? No.
Are you done yet? No.
Are you done yet? No, darling. Oh, done now. No, darling. Ugh. Takes forever. That's stupid.
There's no more. No. Can I lick it?
There's a dropping right there. Get it.
You just got it. Okay. I guess. You want to lick the spoon? Oh, there. Okay.
Okay. Do you want to cut it? Or do you want me to cut it? I want you to cut it. Okay. Lift it up. Need to like check it down a little bit. A little wet. That's better. Oh, hold on. You squeeze it down in there. Hold on, let me dry it up first. Yeah. Yeah. I forgot right from my heart. Oh, no. I didn't cut it. Leave it
We don't want it mixed. We want it.
like a mixture. Oh, cool. Like it is on the box. Okay, let's cut it. Wait there.
Probably a dumb idea to give me.
You want me to go like this, yeah? Okay, that's it. Okay, wait. What are these instructions, Dan? Oh.
Okay, just a minute. Hold this here. I'm gonna go.
I was holding you up.
Aye.
Looks like juice.
Why is this so green down here?
Yeah, that failed.
I'm gonna start it to.
All this on the bottom.
So we can get this. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, now hold it. Hold it. So cut it. Cut it. Just a little bit. Not too much. That's a lot. No. Yeah, go down. No, down. Up. Up. That's not up. Right there.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Might come out. Okay. Oh my gosh. Here you go. Not coming in. Oh, it's spitting out. It's so liquidy. Why is it like that?
Gosh. Okay, Jerry.
They're not helping.
I think the bottom was only liquidy. Can I do one? I want
Didn't put it right. Just put it in the cup.
it's dripping. You suck at this. Let me try.
I wanna try.
This is not working.
I think we need to whip it more. Just put it in the cup.
Yeah, you're doing the exact same thing I was just. I'm better at managers.
No, you're not.
What? It's liquid. It's not working.
Not working at all.
I think when I whipped it. Maybe we need to whip it more. We're gonna whip it more.
How are we gonna whip it more? Smart stuff. It's gonna drop. It's gonna drop.
Oh, that's not that. Don't.
Oh. Trusting me with this. I don't think this is a good idea. I'm gonna spill it. Oh, I got some on there. How are you gonna whip it more, huh? We already put everything in it. It's just gonna look like a lime green if we mix it. No, we won't. It's supposed to look like a Christmas tree. Yeah, but they're not lime. Look, I made a Christmas tree. It's pretty thick. Come look. Are you really? Right here. You know what this tree looks like? Yeah. Totally.
It looks like
Christmas tree, people. It is a Christmas tree. It's not turning out really well. Like we wanted it to.
I know. Alright, maybe if
Cook it, it will go. Okay. Are you supposed to mix it into the bowl? It's not gonna work. Oh. It's just not thick enough. I got this.
I mean, it seems thick enough. It seems thick enough. It's not. Here, let me. Oh, shit.
Okay. Here's some on my nose.
Boop.
Now I want you to open that bag up so it's nice and when we go back to it. Do you not see what you just handed me? I know. Where's the cup? Harold! This is not gonna work. Harold! It's not working. I don't know how you're expecting me to open this bag. Oh, I opened the bag. I guess it does work now. Oh, it looks kind of cool. Look at it. Has bright and then green and then a little bit darker. What am I supposed to do with the bag? Harold! Harold! Wait forever. I mean, it's basically the same. Harold, is it thick enough now?
Probably not. I'm gonna keep mixing. Okay.
I'm gonna put some sprinkles on there.
Is it good? It's fluffy now.
Oh yeah, there's a lot more fluffy.
I think now it's gonna work better.
Probably. It might actually look like Christmas tree. Hold it, right? Hold it. On it. Right. I'm holding. I know. I'm holding. I'm holding.
Hurry!
There's dog hair in the bowl. Yeah. I'll grab another one. Put it in a cup. Put it in a cup.
Ah.
Put it. You're not good at this. Put it around the cup. I can't get it around the cup. You just put it in the. This part is. Hold it. Okay, you got it. You're making a mess. It's gonna make a mess.
Um,
You know what you're doing? Yeah, not let it. What if it starts spilling in there? It'll be fine. Okay. It actually looks kind of like Christmas tree colors. If you were right. Okay. On my hair. You get it?
you have a little thing right there.
Yummy. Let's go. Yeah. Really yummy. I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it like. I want it like a Mexican one.
Oh, gosh. That's probably the liquid part. We need to get the fluffy one out here. Barb. Do you put the sprinkles on?
Before the cookie or after? It will be before. Not working. I'm good. You're not good at this. I know it.
I mean, try it, honey.
You got a couple in here.
Alright.
Look, another one. Green tea. Christmas tree. It's actually better now. Maybe it will grow. That's our Christmas trees, aren't they? Grow. Yeah.
So maybe they grow. You're not good at this either. You're about to put
Bracelet in the icing. You already did. More. And you're about to do it again. Oh, look at that. I don't have hands though.
there may not.
I have 10 more packaging coming to the house. 10? Yep. Yeah, 10. I think that will be the best one. Oh, really? Let me see them back.
I'm doing my star sprinkles. Well, you put a star on top of the tree.
These are the ornaments, and you put one star on top of the tree.
You can put the stars on. Here.
See if you can get any more out. Start topping the trees, okay? Okay, so just one on each tree. I ran.
Totally just one. Mm-hmm. Totally just
Totally just fun. I totally gonna put like 2 on one.
totally did.
Fully? You actually made me sarcastic with that.
I'll do that tree. You can call that the flat. You can get on this flat tree, look at this.
No.
Like 3 videos. I don't think you can. I'm gonna try it.
Told you I totally want to do it.
Come on. I better hear? Yeah. You see? Yeah. Not really. Okay. No. You're still missing.
I know I have. No, let me do it. Oh, you just tipped it.
Harold was making.
Go everywhere. Let me see some of those. Double it. No, wait. Give me
Gotta really get your mouth in there. Just... Oh, yeah.
Harold, you're spilling them on the floor. It's okay, we have the same color bathroom. I'm not cleaning it up. I'll clean it up. I just put my nose in there.
Okay, Jeremy, so these are the finished products.
Right now, they're not fully cooked.
Well, not finished, but these are the, what we're about to bake.
I'm gonna grab these stars.
This one is covered. Like,
I know, I think that.
Can't even tell it's green.
I did that.
This one's also kind of covered too.
I did this one.
Nicer too. Okay.
You know what it's called?
What?
Crazy Land.
Okay.
Harold Crazy Land.
Okay, let's go put them in the oven now. How long do we have to bake these for? 90 minutes.
Oh no, Harold.
Okay, what?
We have a problem.
What's wrong?
They move.
They move. It's alright. Come on over here. Just slide them in. You got this, Jerry. I believe in you. Drink. Just put them in the oven.
What if I burn?
You want to put them in the middle.
It's weird if you put it in the middle.
Just put it in the middle so they cook evenly.
Fine.
Okay, now you're gonna
How many minutes?
press timer, and then 90 minutes. Timer, and then 90, and then press start. Now we wait 90 minutes. Now we gotta clean up.
Does it go off?
Yeah, it'll go off.
We got doing like to clean off.
Okay, you just put this back on there. Or there. I'll clean up the counter. Let me turn the light on. There we go. What?
Harold, I can't get this back on.
What'd you do? Let me see.
Look at that straw man, Harold. Cleaning is very important.
Yep.
What is that?
Vacuum. Okay,
This is after cooking.
they're all done. They're kind of stiff now.
Yeah, while we were waiting, I made a friend.
Who's that?
His name's Ray the Balloon.
Ray? Like Sunshine Ray?
Yeah.